In today's video tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to fix "I'm not a robot" on Omegle. So this is quite a bit annoying when you skip another strangers and this was popped up. This not robot option is appeared and it takes a lot of time, so it's kind of a bit annoying. So what we need to do is going to fix that. So it's gonna be an easy process. So first things first, go ahead and click on this three dots in the upper right corner and go to settings. Once you're on the settings section, go ahead and choose the privacy and security. And once you get there, go to the third-party cookies. And in this section, make sure this one's is set to allow third-party cookies. And next, go back to privacy and security. And once you get there, go ahead and go to site settings. And you have to click on this Omegle and make sure this location is allow and not set as block. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.